Hey guys, John Costigan. Listen, I'm going to just jump into this with both feet because first off, all the videos that I've done historically are about business, but this applies to any person who wants to spend the next 3 minutes listening to this. You have an opportunity to have the best 6 months of your entire life. You really, really do. And here's why. I'll give you my reasoning and I'll give you a couple tips of some things you can do that I really believe is going to make a big difference in terms of just getting through the whole COVID-19. Listen, when you look at COVID-19, okay, I'm just calling it C9 now, as I've told people, listen, I can't control COVID-19, okay? I can't control that, but I can control how I respond to it. That's the big part right here. Well, when I look at a person's life, if I kind of drew this up into 4 windows, okay, and windows is probably a good analogy of where I'm going. Okay, you got from kind of 0 to 20, then you got from 20 to your 40s, and then your 40s to your 60s, and then your 60s to your 80s, and if you make it by 80, I mean, hey man, game on. You did really, really well. Okay, you're living on borrowed time. But if I were to look at my window between 40 and 60, this window right here, and let's kind of make this one a little bit bigger, that's this window, okay? Well, right now, the window of opportunity has opened up. And here's why. The world has been spinning, okay? And the reason why a lot of us don't have the opportunity to do the things that we want is you can call it time and money and kids and family and stuff and distractions. And I kind of wrote out a bunch of stuff, and you have your own list, right? And that comment I've made before where I said, where people go, oh my God, just, stop the world. I want to go off and I want to get off. Well, you got your wish. It kind of stopped. It kind of paused right now. So you kind of go, okay, great. Let me step back for a second. If everything was spinning and it's kind of slowed down a little bit, and obviously I'm using generalizations because, there's some industries going crazy and some of them, like if you're in the hotel or airlines, you're being affected, or retail, I get that. But it's now kind of slowed down a little bit, and you now have this window. You have this window to invest into yourself, to get things done, make yourself better, whatever that is. You now have this window to do it. And I'm telling you, I'm seeing so many people who are kind of, I'm not going to say sitting around, but they're not taking advantage of this window. And I do believe next year, this time, because I do believe in my heart and soul, and I could be wrong, and this is a video I'm posting, but this isn't a quarterly thing. They just canceled Oktoberfest. It's April, okay? And between the time that vaccines come out and even when it comes out, how quickly it's going to get distributed worldwide, I'm telling you, folks, this is going to be the norm for a long time. And I believe if you don't invest in yourself and make yourself better personally and professionally, okay, if you don't do this, the world's going to pass you by and you're going to be kicking yourself next year going, man, I shoulda, woulda, coulda. And when I talk about personally, it could be as simple as when I look at what I was doing, my closet is hysterical. It looks like now you can do a photo shoot right now for, some clothing magazine. All the shirts are, they're all in a row. They're all done by color. And if I haven't worn it in a year, it goes. My slacks, my blazers, my shirts, my t-shirts, my shorts. You name it, man. I'm cleaning house. The garage looks like you can eat off the floor right now. I'm doing stuff in the backyard in reference to, just some garden stuff that I wanted to do back there. I'm getting stuff done in my life personally, okay? Reading more books, doing things I've always wanted to do. And yes, professionally, I'm still working. My working goals in reference to, hey, I want to start a blog. I actually want to start a podcast. I want to start podcasting right now. I want to finish my book. I want to continue to scale the company. There's things I want to do. And before, I think I've always had this excuse of, well, hey, I'm on a plane. I'm in India. I'm in Dubai right now. I'm in Dublin, Ireland. And, it was harder to do. And then when you go on the road and you do what I do, I'd come home, I'm exhausted, right? Well, hang on. That was John's excuse, all right? Valid or not, it was mine. Okay, you may agree with it or not, but it is what it is. Well, to me, I'm like, wait, there's a window now that we have. You have a window. You have a window to take a look at your life and what do you want in your life that makes it better? Because again, you can't control this, but you can control the response to COVID-19. So I'll give you 2 or 3, actually probably 2 really simple techniques, okay? Number 1 is go to Google Docs, and when you do it, get an account. So the next thing is go to Google Docs, number 1. Number 2, get an accountability partner, okay? You want to have somebody where you go, hey, you want to do goals with me. It could be your spouse, significant other, family, friends, whatever it is, and then whatever their goals are, and then each day or whenever you want to do it, you write in there, what did you do? And it's a living doc. Like, I don't know if you know that, like when they're typing in there, if you happen to be online while they're online, you see them typing in real time. Okay, that's how you hold each person accountable. Did you work out today? Did you diet? Did you do this? Did you actually start on your podcast, on your book? And you kind of got your accountability partners busting your chops a little bit, going, did you do this? It's a great thing to have. Somebody's got to push you sometimes. And I think it's got to be somebody other than your manager, okay? So number 1, get a Google Doc. 2, get an accountability partner. And number 3, here's the other one I would probably recommend, okay? I had very close relative of mine is going through a tough time, and they wanted to talk about just, hey, what's going on? And it wasn't a pretty conversation, okay? Well, you know what you do? I think I'll give you a great bit of advice. Just let them talk. Just let him or her talk, okay? The one thing I think we all try to do is, put this, you either contribute to it and go, yeah, you're right, it sucks. Let me tell you, I bet it sucks for me too. No, don't do that. Let them go through their moment. Let them, for now, just for now. And then I'll give you a tiny little bit of advice. Wait 2 or 3 days and then come back and say, I got an idea. And whatever that idea is, be confident, okay? Be positive. And maybe your idea is going, hey, I'm going to help you. Because really how this whole thing came about is when I called this person back after a couple days, I said, you have an opportunity to have the best 6 months of your entire life. You've always wanted to do X, and you couldn't do X because of this stuff. Well, now you can do it. You now have the ability to have the life you want. You do. You've wanted to get out of this industry for 15, 20 years, man. It sucks. That industry you're in sucks. You have a window right now. I said, you can wake up every morning and take classes. And by the way, I'm not talking about my stuff. I'm talking about go train to do what he or she really loves. Get good at it. Find out other people who are doing it and get good at it. In 6 months, you could be that person. There's no excuse. You now have the window. Now listen, I'm using generalizations. I know that there's always extenuating circumstances, but listen, this only takes one thing to do. You just got to decide to do it, you guys, and you got to take action. That's it. And if you do this, because a lot of people don't want to be held accountable, if you do that, that's going to help you. And you have your friends and your family going, hey, get back on the bus, man. You're off. Let's go. So anyway, there's my summary. I really believe, kind of back to what Henry Ford said, if you believe you can or you can't, either way, you're probably going to achieve that. I'm not guaranteeing you're going to have the best 6 months of your life. But what I'm telling you is, if you have that mindset and you start taking action and you put on a yellow sticker on your mirror every day saying, the best 6 months of my life. Just put that right there. I can almost promise you it will be a better 6 months of doing this than it would be if you did none of this. Go get them, and I can't wait to kind of hear the success stories and see how it goes. Take care, everybody. See ya.